Welcome back to our home theater, audiophile gear, and dedicated cinema design showcase. Today, we are breaking down an absolute legend in the world of architectural surround sound, engineered specifically for high-power reference multi-channel systems. This is the Klipsch THX-5000-SUR Surround Loudspeaker, a heavy-duty, commercial-grade speaker that carries prestigious THX Ultra2 certification. If you are building a dedicated 7.1 or high-channel Dolby Atmos configuration and want the explosive realism of a commercial movie theater inside your own home, standard bookshelf or bipole speakers are going to choke under pressure. Klipsch completely solves this acoustic demand by utilizing their proprietary Wide Dispersion Surround Technology, or WDST. It is incredibly important to clear up how this hardware design fundamentally alters the acoustics in your room. The primary physical engineering and material triumph of the THX-5000-SUR centers completely on its driver composition and its professional-grade sealed architecture. Each 20-pound cabinet houses a mirror-image dual-baffle array configured with two 5.25-inch Cerametallic cone woofers riding on rigid, cast aluminum frames. These signature copper-colored drivers are paired with a set of dual 1-inch titanium dome compression drivers mated straight into 5-inch square 90 by 60 degree Tractrix horns. Because these specialized compression drivers are identical to the ones used in the master front stage THX-5000-SUR speakers, you get flawless sonic continuity as movie effects travel from the front screen to the rear walls. But what truly turns this surround loudspeaker into a permanent masterstroke for custom integrations is its brilliant room placement flexibility and high-efficiency performance dynamics. Boasting an ultra-high sensitivity rating of 96 decibels, these 8-ohm-compatible speakers are highly efficient, translating clean amplifier energy into raw acoustic pressure without taxing your home theater processors. On the back panel, the speaker features two distinct sets of heavy-duty binding posts bridged via premium brass jumpers, giving you absolute freedom to run advanced by-wiring parameters. For installation, the flatback design incorporates integrated, vertically aligned keyholes alongside specialized 1/4-inch 20-threaded inserts compatible with high-capacity wall or ceiling mounts. Finished in a professional galaxy black coating with an anodized aluminum front fascia, this speaker mounts beautifully to side walls or rear bulkheads, seamlessly disappearing into the dark aesthetics of your home cinema room. Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below to let us know if you prefer direct radiating surrounds or wide dispersion arrays for your home theater setup.